Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change email on OnlyFans. If you're looking for a way to change your email address associated with OnlyFans, then the process is quite easy. So without further ado, let's get started. Start off by tap and open your OnlyFans application on your device. Once you are logged into your OnlyFans account, make sure that you're logged into your OnlyFans account by entering your credentials correct. After you are logged into the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. From the menu popping up on the display on the right corner, tap on Settings. Tap on Account from the Settings menu. Go to Email tab and select it. Tap on Update Email Address and make sure that you are able to access to your current email. Tap Next if you are, and then you will now receive a verification code sent to your email that you are currently using. Open up your email inbox and open up the email from OnlyFans. You will then receive a one-time access code. Simply copy the code and get back to OnlyFans application. Enter the code that you just copied and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your new email address you are trying to update to. Once you are done entering the email, tap on Next. Now, enter the confirmation code that you will receive on your new email address. Open up the email inbox for the email that you're trying to change to, and you will receive a confirmation code in it. Once you enter the code that you received, tap on Next, and you will then be able to change your email address for OnlyFans. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.